What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a video. I did my first order with Transfer Express. I tried out their Ultra Color Max, so I actually wanted to try it out and do a gang sheet. I got an order for about 5 shirts, so they sent it to me in a box rolled up. So I'm going to show you. It's 22 by 22, I believe, of Ultra Color Max. There you go. The colors are very bright in it. I'll put it up here in the camera. Did a little bit of my own on there just to see, try out. This is my first order from them with Ultra Color Max. So I wanted to make a video on it. I'll be doing up these shirts. So far I was pleased with the packaging and everything like that. And these are Transfer Express. I'll leave the links in the description of this. Let's see if I can get a good view on it. All right, so I'm gonna get these cut up. I'm gonna get the heat press going and I'm gonna press these up. All right, so let me just get these main images cut up on here. I got, there's a smaller size for youth, and then I got adults. I believe I did these 10.5 by 10.5, which is your, average adult size. So let me just cut these up here. So that way it's easier to work with. And I did a gang sheet. Just to try it out. I put a couple of my own logos over here. Just to take up some of the room. But I believe this was, I want to say it came out to $25. I'll have to actually look. But I've tried these in the sample pack. And I never actually, ordered these ones. I know they're good because I pressed them and everything, but I wanted to try it like at a bigger size than what it is in the sample pack. So that's why I figured I'd put in an order with them for a smaller order. And plus, there's no minimum with them, which is a good thing because you don't get that from many places. I use a couple different companies, but I started off with Transfer Express. So I always keep a lot of transfer companies, and there's also another DTF transfer company that reached out to me. I'm going to be doing a video on them to try out their transfers. I always keep different transfer companies, they're all good for different things. Full color, like I go with TKO, I go with Transfer Express, Flash Custom Transfers, and vinyl, like I use everything. You don't ever want to limit yourself to one because they all work out for me. They're all in different areas. Like Transfer Express is closer to me than a lot of other places, and it's a lot quicker turnaround time. So that's another reason why I use different transfer companies. I use them for all their own reasons. So I got these cut up. I'm gonna get that heat press going. I'll switch the camera over there and I'll start pressing up these shirts. All right, so I got this set up over here. It says temperature 290, time is 12 to 15 seconds, pressure is medium to firm, and it says peel carrier, transfer carrier hot. So I already pre-pressed this and everything, but I'm going to do it again. I have mine at 290 for 14 seconds, and I'm still gonna go probably over a second more just because that's just me. You don't have to. Just see if the moisture out of that. It doesn't say anything about a carrier sheet over it. Center this up. I'll leave everything in the description for what I use. Up here. I'm gonna go about 4 fingers down from the collar. Make sure everything's good on it. Pretty much dead on point right there. Fingers down. This ain't hot peel, so tension that up a little bit more. See what happens. Popped right off itself. It didn't come up at all. It's nice and smooth too. Damn. I'll hold these up at the end. That came out real good. Alright guys, I'm gonna do my one last 2X here, and then I'm gonna put the youth one up here. With the youth ones, I usually go about, depending on the size, that one is medium youth. I usually go, basically I'll get the shirts, or at least get one shirt to judge it when it comes for kids, just to make sure, because all kids are different sizes and everything. With that one, I believe I did that 7.5 by 7.5. Because it's a kid, you don't want to be too big on basically their shirts. But these transfers are actually, they're laying down real nice. I'll hold them all up at the end. I mean, even the color, and then the color is just real nice. And I only did their samples, which was, you figure, a while ago I tried them, and I was figured once I saw they had no minimums. I always like Transfer Express, and they're very quick turnaround time. It's just easy way just to make, you know, some quick money on the side, even if you don't want to do this full time. It's very simple. Everybody's always looking for t-shirts. You're never gonna have a problem selling t-shirts. Especially now with like the full color and everything. I mean, you could do whatever you want now. It's nowhere near what it used to be. I'm just making sure these are lined up because I'm always worried with bigger shirts. And these are hot peel. Things are peeling right off themselves. I'll hold them all up at the end. Like I said, I got this youth shirt here. Same thing, always get lint rollers for any type of transfers. I do lint roller with everything. Just to make sure you get all the stuff out of it. All the lint or whatever else is in it. Same thing with this one. The little kids shirts, they're funny because they're so much smaller than the press actually is. So trying to get them lined up is pretty funny. It's like doing a rag. You gotta pre-press just to get everything out of the way. sure we're good on both sides. Like I said, I just did a little bit smaller, same print, just smaller. 3 fingers down for the smaller one. I didn't want to go too huge with this. Sure everything's lined up. I'll put all the stuff that I use in the description. Raw center here. I'm actually very impressed by these. Get that out of the way. They're peeling off real nice. There you go. Let me hold these up here. There's the youth one. Like I said, this is Ultra Color Max from Transfer Express, and they have no minimums. Out there. And then these are all the same, the 2X adults. And I mean, it's a nice smooth finish on them. The color pops in them. I went with a lot of color for that one. There you go for them. So I just want to do a quick video on them because that was my first time actually doing the Ultra Color Max, but with something that I ordered, not their sample, and I'm very impressed by them. I knew the quality was good from the sample, but I wanted to try out my own. And so I actually, like I said, I've got new DTF transfers from a company that's located around me. I'm going to do a video on them probably next. And I did get in touch with the winner for the Cricut, so I want to make sure that he gets it and everything, and then I'll give him a shout out and put his name out. He gave me permission to put his name out. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.